Hello, Miss Burton. For this example, we're going to use division to find the solution of the systems of equations. Now, division of functions looks difficult because it has something called restrictions. Once you understand it, it's fairly easy. We have our problem right here, our example. F times x equals 3x squared, and g times x equals x minus 8. Now we're going to solve this using division of functions. We put f over x, f over g, times x equals, and now this is the easiest part, just 3x squared over x minus 8, f over g. So far, this is the division of functions. This is easy. That's what our problem looks like. Now, it's as simple as it can be. You can't do any division, or two numbers can't go into each other or out of each other. You can't make it simpler. You can't do anything with this problem. You have to leave it alone. Now, restrictions mean that 0 can never be the denominator. So you have to do, on the side, the restriction, x cannot equal, now, x minus 8 equals what? Nothing. X minus 8 cannot equal 0. So what is x minus 8 equals 0? You don't even have to do it out. 8 minus 8 equals 0. So your restriction is 8. It cannot be 8, because then the problem would equal 0. And boom. There's your problem. There's your answer. Simple as that. Let's move on to a different example. Better yet, let's use the same exact problem. We're not going to change anything, because usually there's not going to be a lot of math, a lot of things you need to do with the division of functions, because it's easy. So we don't have to do another example. Let's just use this. Let's do the opposite. Let's do g over f this time. Okay, now we have x minus 8 over 3x squared. Again, you can't do anything else with the problem. And so, this is what it'll look like. Now, can you guess what our restriction would be? 3x squared. If you put any number that's positive in that problem or negative in x, it's going to be fine. So 3x squared, x has to be 0. That's a restriction. That's what makes the problem equal to 0. And so it's 0. So first we did f over g, and now we did g over f. Division of functions is quite easy once you get the hang of it. Thanks, Ms. Burton. Stay tuned for more.